Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones REALME Buds T110. Before we can start, I will tell you that I change button presets. So as you can see, I add for a double tap voice assistant, and also I add for the triple tap previous track for the left earbud. So let's test it. Now, you can play and pause the song by pressing 2 times on your right earbud. I will play the song. I will pause the song. Now, if you press 3 times on your left earbud, you will play next song. 2, 3. Here we go. If you press 3 times on your left earbud, you will play previous song. Here we go. Now, if you touch and hold your right earbud, you will increase the volume. Here we go. If you press and hold your left earbud, you will lower the volume. Here we go. And the last one, you can awake Google Assistant or Siri if you press 2 times on your left earbud. Here we go. Now, if someone calls to you, you can answer the call by pressing 2 times on your left or right earbud. Let's check it. I answer the call. Now, if I press 2 times again, I will reject the call. Here we go. And also, if someone calls to you, you can press and hold on your right or left earbud to reject the call. Let's check it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!